Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along Dr. Martin Luther King Jr Boulevard, a street that has deep historical and cultural significance. Originally part of the city's downtown grid, this boulevard connects residential neighborhoods, commercial areas, and cultural landmarks. Over the years, the area has evolved to reflect both the city's growth and its civil rights history. Many of the neighborhoods along the boulevard were central to Nashville's African American community during the early and mid-20th centuries, with churches, schools, and local businesses serving as hubs of social, cultural, and political life.
Thank you very much.
In 1960, Nashville became a key center for civil rights activism, including the famous Nashville sit-ins that challenged segregation at lunch counters, and streets like this were part of the daily life and movement of residents during that time. Today, Dr. MLK Jr Boulevard features a mix of historic architecture, modern development, public spaces, and cultural institutions. The area reflects the city's commitment to preserving history and honoring the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and the community's contributions to Nashville's social and cultural identity. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!